Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I'm really zoomed in, but I'm just going to be doing a review for you, and today I'm going to be reviewing the ColourPop Starcrossed Colors Gel, Cream Gel Liner Vault, and the Color Me Fine Liquid Liner Vault. So that is what the two of them look like right here. This is Starcrossed Colors, and this is Color Me Fine. And I'm going to be reviewing these for you guys, and I hope that you find it informational and helpful, and let's just go ahead and get started. So the reason I'm all zoomed in for you guys for this review is so that you can see that I have one of the products on right now. I hope you guys can see it, but this is actually the green liquid liner from the Color Me Fine liquid liner set. So we are going to start with this one. I actually do have one of the gel liners on right now, but I'm pretty sure it's faded off already because it's been on all day. So I'm going to just go into the Color Me Fine. So the Color Me Fine BFF liquid liners, there are 6 of them in this pack. There's a black, a white, a yellow, a red, a green, and a blue. And I have used all of them at this point, not necessarily just as a regular like wing liner or anything, but I've also done some like art designs and stuff like that on my face for collaborations on Instagram. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch all of them for you really quickly. So this is what all of the liners look like. I hope you guys can see it right there. So we have the white, the green, the black, or sorry, the blue, the black, the red, and the yellow from right to left. I do find the one thing that I'm noticing with this pack is that the blue, for some reason, is a little liquidier than the rest of them. So especially like in the swatch, you can't really see it, but in the first swatch I ever did of these, it like bled in the creases of my hands, and I was so nervous to use it. It turned out when I put it on my eye, it was totally fine and I made it work. But that is just something to note, that for some reason I'm finding the blue to be a little bit more thin and wet than the rest of the formulas, but they are extremely pigmented. The brush is a felt tip brush, so I'll kind of open one up so you can see it. It's a felt tip brush. It is very thin and really easy to get a precise line. Well, with these pens, it is a liquid liner pen. It is not a felt tip, like pull it out of a container type liner. It is a felt tip pen. And I just find them to be very pigmented and looks absolutely beautiful. I really love wearing the green, as you guys can tell. It's stunning, and again, with my green eyes, it helps make them pop a little bit. I wore the red the other day, and the red looked so freaking cool, and this is something that you definitely want to have in your collection if you tend to do more colorful looks, or you want to do some like face art and stuff like that, but don't necessarily want to go out and buy a whole like face paint kit. These are definitely really, really good. I did a gemstone collaboration with some girls over on Instagram, and I was able to use the green and the black and I think the red, or not the red, the white, and I created a little gemstone emerald on my cheek, and so I definitely wouldn't have been able to do that without these. So I think that these are absolutely beautiful, really easy to use. I'm hoping that they will not dry out on me too quickly. I have heard some rumors of that in the past, that some people got theirs dried out or that they dried out really quickly, so I'm definitely going to be keeping an eye on that. But so far, so good. So now to go into the Starcrossed colors. So again, I'm going to take a second to swatch all of these for you, and I'm going to swatch them from what is your right to left. No, your left to right, sorry. So it's going to be white, beige, light pink, pinkish red, green, blue, gold. It's going to be a purple, a brown, a maroon, supposed to be a lighter brown, and a black. So I'm going to go ahead and take a second and swatch all those, and we'll be right back. Alrighty, so these are all of the liners swatched. Obviously you can see, as you can tell, they are up top on my hand. The liquid liners are below, these are up top. So I do have a few notes to go ahead and talk about. But overall, I'm just going to tell you, I love these. They are so good. There are a few of them, like the white, the light pink, the like salmon color, the gold, the bronze, and the maroon, that are a little smoother and more buttery, almost soft. Like, arguably like on the tip of melting soft, but that means they just go on so smoothly. The gold eyeliner is what I had on today. By now I don't think you can see it in camera. It might still be there. I honestly haven't looked in a little bit. But that is what I put on today, and it just went on so smoothly. Absolutely no irritation in my eye, and I did put it on my waterline. And the tan, the dark pink as well is really smooth. But the blue, the matte brown, and the black tend to be a little harder. Not necessarily like uncomfortable to put on your waterline hard, but just they aren't as smooth and buttery as the other ones, but they are all very pigmented. At first glance, the dark brown and the light brown look like they're going to be the same color, but actually the light brown is more of a bronze color, so it has a little bit of a sheen to it, which I did not realize when I first swatched these, because I first swatched these like at night when it was dark out and everything. Like, not my best idea, but they are overall just, they glide on smoothly. They do last several hours. I put these on around 9:30 this morning, and they lasted until at least 2 or 3, I believe. So I think that they are really good. I love the color variety that's in here. What I find interesting, I wish that there was actually like a dark like forest green. I'm not crazy about this teal color right here. Like it's very pretty, but I feel like if I'm gonna get a cream gel liner vault, I want like the basic rainbow colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And then everything after that would just kind of be like an accessory, but I'd really wish that there was like an orange in here. And the gold is so close to a yellow that I kind of use it as that. And then it just gives a little extra sheen, which is really nice. So I wish the color selection was a little bit different. But these 3 at the beginning, the white, the tan, and the salmon, they are perfect for brightening up your eye if you put them on the waterline. Because these are so smooth, you could absolutely put them on the lower lash line and they wouldn't pull on your lower lash line, and they would just go on really smoothly. They wouldn't disturb your lower lashes or anything like that. And if you blend it in with a brush, it would just blend really seamlessly. But I tend to use gel liners and stuff like that for my waterline to add a little something. So what I did today, like I said, was I put the green eyeliner on top and then the gold in my waterline. I have not attempted to put any of these in my inner corner yet, but these do seem obviously very eye safe. I didn't have a problem with any irritation or anything when I used them. So overall, I think these are really good, and again, a total must-have if you are really creative and artistic with your eye looks and just want to play around with lots and lots of colors and textures, but want to get a little bit more precise with your coloring, because I know for me, I definitely wanted these so that I could do some more precise drawings, like I said, on my cheekbone and stuff like that, maybe even like above my brow or something, I'm not sure. So I do think that these are really good. So overall, both of these products I was so excited to buy, and I do not regret my decision at all. One of them, I believe, I don't remember what they cost individually. I think the BFF liquid liners were around $22 and the Starcrossed vault was around $30 or so. But ColourPop does do Afterpay if you don't know, so that's what I did. I'm testing out Afterpay right now. So they do it in 4 installments. So I'm doing about 4 $20 installments, I believe. And yeah, I totally think that if you don't already have these, you should get your hands on them. They do sell out very quickly, so you have to keep checking the ColourPop website for them. I know that's what I did. So I got them the day they restocked, which I believe was the 8th or something like that. They just restocked them. But they are absolutely beautiful, and I would highly recommend them. So that is my little mini review for you guys. You know I love ColourPop. I would give anything to be on ColourPop's PR list, so you know, hopefully that'll happen one day. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I hope you find it informative and helpful, and I really do hope you guys check these out. Please tag me in posts that you do using them on Instagram. I would love to see what you guys come up with. I absolutely love seeing other artists and such on Instagram. So again, my social media is all down in the description bar. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so, so much to me. I'm hoping to do a small giveaway at 100 subscribers, so if you want to be a part of that giveaway, please, please, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much. And that is everything. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all very soon. Bye, everybody.